my battery into the positive and negative terminals of the breadboard here, I can connect any wire to this lead by plugging it into any connection in this row. So if I plug this jumper wire into the very end of this row here, it is still connected to this red lead of the battery via this metal in the back here. So, and the same goes for the negative terminal. I can plug that in anywhere on this row, and you'll have you'll be connected to the negative terminal of the battery. And the way the center rows work is that each row is connected to itself. So if I plug a jumper wire in here and a jumper wire in here, these two are now connected to each other. But if I plug them in like this, they will not be connected. You'll notice that all of the components of the electricity kit, including your power sources like these solar panels, all of the lead wires are equipped with pinouts, which allow for easy depression into the breadboard.